Flax seeds are a great source of plant-based protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which give healthy hair and skin. It's best to eat flaxseed after it's been crushed or grounded to powder to get all the nutrients. These little seeds are packed with fiber and lignans that contain 75 to 800 times more than other plant foods. Take 200 grams flax seeds, 50 grams sesame seeds, 100 grams whole wheat flour. Let's first dry roast flax seeds on medium to low flame. It takes around 4 to 5 minutes to change color, stirring them as they tend to burn easily. After 5 minutes, you can see the color has changed. Now you can remove them off the heat. As soon as you off the heat, remove flax seeds from the pan as the heat of the pan might burn them further. Now let's dry roast sesame seeds. They just take 1 to 2 minutes. They roast quickly. Sesame seeds are packed with all essential fatty acids including omega-3, omega-9 and omega-6 and serve as a natural hair growth stimulant. Not only do they nourish the scalp, but they also promote follicular production. And they are also a rich source of protein along with many other health benefits. Remove them from the pan as soon as they change color. After removing sesame seeds from the pan, take 1 tablespoon ghee, that is clarified butter. If you don't have ghee, you can even use butter. To this add whole wheat flour and roast it till it turns brown on a low to medium flame. After it's done, I'm transferring into a large mixing bowl and will be blending sesame seeds and flax seeds to coarse powder. First, I'm blending sesame seeds to coarse powder. Add it to whole wheat flour in the mixing bowl. In the same jar, I'm blending flax seeds to coarse powder. Blend it coarsely and not fine powder. After adding grounded flax seed, I'm adding coconut sugar powder, or you can add jaggery or palm sugar powder. 200 grams of coconut sugar powder I'm adding. Add 1 teaspoon grounded cardamom. Mix everything well together. Use hands if necessary to break the lumps present. I'll be adding 5 tablespoons of melted ghee, one at a time, mixing the whole mixture, breaking the lumps. You can increase or decrease the ghee depending on the consistency of making balls. You should be able to make a ball like this. That's when you can stop adding any more ghee. These protein balls are very delicate and they just melt in your mouth. You can make approximately 30 to 35 balls with the quantities I mentioned. You can store on the countertop in an airtight container for 10 days or keep in the fridge. The recommended intake of these protein balls is 1 to 2 per day, as they contain the recommended dosage of dietary fiber, plant protein, and daily target of several nutrients which help in weight loss, improve cholesterol, lower blood pressure, and improve the health of your hair and skin. With many proven health benefits, there is no better way to satisfy your sweet tooth than these flaxseed balls. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy, stay positive.